What's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to give you guys a case study, a campaign that I ran this last week that resulted in $2,000 in commissions just by sending out a few emails. So we're going to get into detail about this. If you're somebody that's brand new to the channel, please subscribe if you haven't already. This channel is all about helping you live a life and create a business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So slam the subscribe button and don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So a lot of you guys know the affiliate marketing business model, the idea of selling somebody else's product and being able to earn a portion of the sell. So in this case, this product was $9.97 and I was able to earn 50% commissions, which is right around $400 or $500. Well, I made 4 sales last week just by a few emails, and that resulted in $2,000 in commissions over here. Now, you guys know how much I love selling high ticket products over low ticket products, because I struggled for so many years promoting low ticket and just putting up content every single day, not being able to scale with paid advertising because the profit margins were so razor thin. So when I came across high ticket, it completely changed my life. So what I really want to do really quickly before we get into this video is I want to show you the difference between low ticket and high ticket affiliate marketing. What's so cool about this is the sales process is the same because you're sending people to somebody else's product where they do all the selling, they do all the telling. You don't have to do any of that. You don't have to set up any web pages. They take care of all that stuff. So low ticket, typically the average commission payout is right around 50% commission. Sometimes you'll get all the way up to about 80 to 90% commissions. So on a $100 product, you're making about $50 per sell. Well, the average conversion rate in the industry, when you send people from, it could be YouTube, it could be Facebook, it could be really anywhere online or offline, when you send those people to a sales page, you can kind of get a 1 to 2% conversion rate on average. So if you send 100 visitors to your website, you can expect to get about 2 sales. So if you're getting 50% commissions, that's $50 per commission, $100 total, right? Now, what if you took that same effort, that same work, whether you're creating content on YouTube, whether you're building an email list, what if you took that same amount of effort and just switched the offer to a high ticket offer? And that's what I did. But before I did that, I had a lot of limiting beliefs. I didn't think that it was possible. I didn't think that people would just fork out $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 over the internet. Well, I was completely wrong. I suspended disbelief. In about 2013, it was April, I made my first $1,000 sell online, and it was 100% commissions. So you can actually find products out there that are high ticket that are anywhere between 50% all the way up to 100% commissions. So if you got a $2,000 product and you have that same 1 to 2% conversion rate, which is industry average, you make 2 sales based off of 100 website visitors, that's at least $1,000. Not to mention the new age of affiliate marketing, which I like to call affiliate marketing 2.0, not just combining high ticket, but combining high ticket with exclusive offers and webinars. What I mean by exclusive offers is offers that only a few people have access to, which means you have the right connections, you know the right people. What's so cool about my high ticket affiliate accelerator is that I give you these connections so you can promote these exclusive offers that are not saturated, that have very high conversion rates. So I ended up promoting Igor K-Fed's product through a webinar, which he took care of all the selling. I didn't even have to show up to the webinar, and I got a 10% conversion rate on this promotion right here. So you can't just go out there and find this webinar or find this product to promote. You have to some way be connected with Igor and get in contact with him. And I allow my certified students that go through my course, that go through my training, the ability to do that. So let me actually outline the exact process that I walked people through. First of all, the thing that was really cool is Igor gave me access to all his email swipes. So all he did is he said, Josh, take these emails. I'm going to give you these emails, copy them, paste them into your autoresponder, and send them out to your email list. So it looks something like this. Number one, I built up an email list through social media, through YouTube to be specific. Right now, I've got over 49,000 subscribers. So what I did is I built that subscriber base on YouTube. And then what I did is I took people from my YouTube videos and I posted a link in the description that would send them to what's called a capture page. Now, the purpose of a capture page is to capture names and email addresses. And once you do that, these names, these email addresses are logged into what's called an autoresponder. There's different autoresponders like GetResponse, 8Weber, MailChimp, Kartra, so on and so forth. Now, when these emails are logged, they are going to receive what's called email follow-ups. The purpose of these follow-ups is to give value, to build goodwill, and then make offers. Now, to accomplish all of this, of course, you need traffic. And that's the issue that most people have, is figuring out how to drive traffic. Number one, if they're doing paid traffic, they really don't know how to send out the proper emails. They don't know how to build a relationship on the back end. So they might be getting some traffic, but that traffic is not converting. And so what I do in my high ticket affiliate accelerator is I show you how to not only get qualified traffic, but how to convert that traffic into leads and sales. So you can learn a little bit more about that below. So what I was doing is not only was I able to drive traffic on the front end through my YouTube videos, but I was able to simultaneously build a relationship with my prospects well before they even got on my list. So by the time they got on my list, I continued to build goodwill, but it was so much easier because I already demonstrated that I was an expert on the front end. And if you learn how to do this, you can take traffic and you could very easily convert that traffic into leads and sales. Now, I know you know there's more to this, and of course, I don't have a few hours to run through it. And so what I want to encourage you to do is go ahead and click the link below this video, and I'm going to walk you through a case study in more depth of how you can leverage the power of YouTube to not only build a list, but make affiliate offers and earn those big commissions. If you're interested, go ahead and click the link below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. Talk to you soon, and we'll see you in the next video.